Hello viewers, welcome back to the Nova Bus Van. On this rather cold and somewhat windy day here in Montreal, you find me just outside the Terminus Centre-Ville downtown bus terminal where I've filmed quite a few videos in the past. I decided, since it's been a little while since I made a video, that I'd make one spontaneously. I just had this idea on my way here, or rather come here on board one of the RTL's final 4 Van Hool AG300 articulated buses, which are these buses made in Belgium, of course. Very common in Europe, not so much here in Canada. There used to be quite a few more in the RTL's fleet, but unfortunately many of them have been retired since the last few years. Now there's at most 4 left, all of which being the 4 2006 units. And well, I got the chance to ride one over here, and I figured I'd kill 2 birds with 1 stone. One, so I'll ride on one of them before they're gone, because with the REM coming, they won't be needing articulated buses much anymore, so they're probably going to be moved to either another route or retired altogether, considering they're already pretty old. And also because, well, I thought I'd film a video with this beautiful lighting, because it is quite, can't really see, it's quite sunny today, despite it being quite cold too. It's February, it's cold. Winter finally came, what can I tell you? But to film a ride across the new Samuel-de-Champlain Bridge, which is the new Champlain Bridge, as people tend to refer to it. Beautiful new bridge, partial suspension bridge over the St. Lawrence River. So I figured that with the lane the way it is, and on a bus that's not going to be in service for much longer, why not do a video of the 2 of them together? So without further ado, enjoy this quick ride, about a 3-4 minute clip altogether, heading across the Champlain Bridge from Brossard to Montreal downtown. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.